Hello, sweet crew, and Happy New Year! Let's start the year easy. A light and perfectly jiggly vanilla bean panna cotta with only a few ingredients. Get your apron and oven ready. Let's go! For the ingredients, you'll need 35% cream, milk, water, sugar, powdered gelatin, vanilla pod, You'll want to get the vanilla beans out of their pod. To do so, cut the pod lengthwise on one surface only. Spread the opening to give you access to the beans and, with a tool, gently scrape the inside of the pod. What's left on your tool are tiny vanilla beans. Put the vanilla beans in a small bowl and set them and the pod aside for later. In a small saucepan, add the cream and the milk, but set aside a quarter cup of milk for later. Then add the sugar and vanilla beans and their pod. On medium heat, bring the mixture to an almost boil. Stir it gently with a wooden spoon or a spatula to make sure the sugar has completely dissolved. While the liquids are heating up, in a bowl, add the milk and the gelatin pack. Bring your water to a boil and add it in the mix. Whisk all the ingredients together, making sure that the gelatin has completely dissolved. As soon as you see the large bubbles wanting to form, remove from heat. Once the cream milk has been removed from heat, add the gelatin mix and immediately strain in a bowl that can handle quick heat to cold shifts. Once you've strained your panna cotta, place the hot panna cotta over a bowl filled with ice cubes. This step is super important if you don't want your panna cotta to separate as it sets. Gently stir your panna cotta with a wooden spoon or spatula as it cools to evenly distribute the coolness. Once your panna cotta is the desired temperature, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Evenly distribute it in 6 ramekins to go the traditional way, or in 6 fancy glasses, aka whiskey glasses. To keep the panna cotta from forming a skin as it sets, cover each one with plastic wrap, leaving no room for air. Once the panna cotta has set, about 3 to 5 hours, and when you're ready to serve, if you want to add extra texture, you can take your favorite cookies and crush them. I had some Graham cookies left from a previous recipe. Create a cute little design to make it your own and serve. All that's left to do is enjoy the wiggling and the taste because holy moly is this my new favorite dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, click the subscribe button, like this video, and go comment what you'd like to see next. Have a wonderfully sweet week!